Hi guys, welcome back to My Beauty. This is Cece, and today we're doing another cooking video. So this is gonna be like,
we're making pumpkin pie pancakes.
There we go. We're making like healthy pumpkin pie pancakes. Why do I freeze up here? I don't know. But anyway, we're gonna start off with the wet ingredients, and then we're gonna go to the dry ingredients, then we'll make the pancakes all together. So I have 2 eggs that are lightly scrambled right here. So we're just gonna take that, and we're gonna add a cup of milk. And we're gonna add 1 cup of pumpkin puree. Now, if you want to be like healthy, I mean, you can use almond milk or any plant-based milk that you're choosing. I'm using whole milk because, you know, it is what it is. And then, now, this part I'm using 3 tablespoons. You just like, okay, I'm using 3 tablespoons of melted butter. You can omit this if you want to be a little bit more healthy. I'm choosing not to omit it because I like butter, but if you want to be more on the healthy side, just omit this part. And you're just going to whisk that all together. Oh, and you're gonna put a teaspoon of vanilla in here. I forgot my vanilla, but yeah. Or is it? Yeah, a teaspoon of vanilla. Don't forget that. I'm not showing you that because I just forgot it. But anyway, that's the wet ingredients, and now we're gonna go over to the dry ingredients. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna do the dry ingredients. So I have 1.5 cups of wheat flour. And right here, I have a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. So we're gonna add all that in. You can add more or less, you know. And then I have 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and so I only have like 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. The thing is, like, if you're gonna add the butter, hold on, my stove acts like it won't. If you're gonna add the butter, if it's unsalted butter, if it's unsalted butter, you can add more salt. Like, you gotta add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. But I had salted butter, so that's why I only added like 1/8 teaspoon of salt. So, or like I said, you can omit the butter altogether. And here I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use about 2 or 3 tablespoons of maple syrup if you want to do that, or you can omit it. Like I said, guys, I'm trying to make this healthy for y'all, but you know, sometimes my taste buds be. So that's why we're using the wheat flour. All right. And once that's all in, smells yummy. Once that's all incorporated, I'm gonna make a little well. We're gonna put our wet ingredients. And we're just gonna whisk that in. Make sure you don't overmix it. Okay, guys, so that's the finished consistency of it. It's gonna be a little thick, but you know, pancake batter is supposed to be. So anyway, so next we're gonna come over here, and we're just gonna pour you know, pancake size. All right, and we're gonna let that cook, and then we'll flip it over. Okay, cool. Okay, guys, and they're gonna be a little thick, but you know, once it's done on one side, just flip them. I made a little mess right there, but yep, there you go with that. Okay, guys, here are your pumpkin pie or pumpkin spice, whatever, pancakes. They're kind of ugly, but you know, it is what it is. But anyway, you can top these with pure maple syrup if you like. You can also put whipped cream on top with some pecans and some cinnamon or whatever, or you can just eat them plain. But anyway, ideas are endless, but there you go for the autumn seasons or whatever. And thank you guys for watching. Love you.